In 2025, Russia remains one of the world's most formidable military powers. From the ashes of the Soviet Union, the Russian Federation has rebuilt and modernized its armed forces. But how does Russia's military might stack up in today's complex global landscape? Spanning 11 time zones and commanding respect through sheer firepower, Russia's military strategy shapes international relations across continents. Built on decades of military tradition and technological innovation, Russia's armed forces have evolved dramatically since the Cold War. Today, we examine the true extent of Russia's military capabilities and global influence. This is Russia's military power in 2025. Russia maintains one of the world's largest standing armies with over 280,000 active personnel in ground forces alone. The modernization program has equipped troops with state-of-the-art gear, including the advanced Ratnik soldier system. Digital communications, enhanced body armor and precision weapons have transformed the Russian infantry. Russia operates over 12,000 tanks, including the formidable T-90M and the next-generation T-14 Armata. The T-14 Armata represents the pinnacle of Russian tank technology with its unmanned turret and advanced protection systems. These armored behemoths form the backbone of Russia's ground assault capabilities. Russia's artillery arsenal includes over 6,000 pieces, from traditional howitzers to advanced multiple rocket systems. The legendary Katyusha tradition lives on in modern systems like the Tornado and Smerch rocket launchers. Modern, precision-guided munitions have transformed Russian artillery into a surgical strike force. The Russian aerospace forces operate over 3,000 aircraft, spearheaded by the fifth-generation Su-57 stealth fighter. The Su-35 and Su-30 fighters provide air superiority with their advanced radar systems and long-range capabilities. These aircraft can engage targets at ranges exceeding 400 kilometers with deadly precision. Russia's strategic bomber fleet includes the massive Tu-160, capable of carrying nuclear and conventional payloads across intercontinental distances. The venerable Tu-95 continues to serve as a long-range strategic platform, regularly conducting patrols near NATO borders. These bombers can deliver devastating firepower anywhere on the globe within hours. Russia's air defense network is anchored by the world-renowned S-400 and S-500 missile systems. These systems can engage aircraft, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles at ranges up to 600 kilometers. Integrated radar networks provide comprehensive coverage across Russian airspace. Russia operates the world's second-largest submarine fleet with over 60 submarines, including advanced nuclear-powered vessels. The Yasen-class attack submarines represent the pinnacle of Russian underwater warfare technology. Strategic submarines like the Borai-class carry intercontinental ballistic missiles, ensuring second-strike capability. While Russia operates only one aircraft carrier, its surface fleet includes modern frigates and destroyers, equipped with advanced missile systems. The Admiral Gorshkov-class frigates serve as the backbone of Russia's modern surface fleet. Armed with Kaliber cruise missiles, these vessels can strike land targets over 2,000 kilometers away. Russia dominates Arctic waters with the world's largest icebreaker fleet, including nuclear-powered vessels. Strategic Arctic bases extend Russian naval influence across the northern sea route. This Arctic presence secures vital shipping lanes and natural resources in the region. Russia maintains the world's largest nuclear arsenal with approximately 6,000 warheads and advanced delivery systems. The Topol-M and RS-24 Yars missiles form the backbone of Russia's land-based nuclear deterrent. These missiles can deliver multiple warheads to targets over 10,000 kilometers away. Russia leads in hypersonic weapon development with systems like the Kinzhal and Zircon missiles. The Avangard hypersonic glide vehicle travels at over 20 times the speed of sound, making it virtually unstoppable. These weapons can penetrate any existing missile defense system. Russia's nuclear doctrine emphasizes deterrence through assured retaliation capability. Redundant command systems ensure nuclear forces remain under positive control at all times. This nuclear triad maintains strategic stability through credible deterrence. Russia projects military power globally through direct intervention and support for allied nations. Military advisors and weapons sales extend Russian influence across Africa, Asia, and Latin America. As the world's second-largest arms exporter, Russia supplies weapons to over 50 countries. The Collective Security Treaty Organization provides Russia with formal military alliances across Eurasia. Strategic partnerships with China, Iran, and other nations create alternative security arrangements. These alliances challenge traditional Western-dominated security structures. Military bases in Syria, Armenia, and other locations provide forward deployment capabilities. Naval deployments to the Mediterranean, Caribbean, and Pacific demonstrate global reach. Advanced logistics capabilities enable sustained operations thousands of kilometers from Russia. Compared to the United States, Russia maintains rough nuclear parity but lags in conventional force projection capabilities. With a defense budget, roughly one-tenth of America's, Russia maximizes impact through strategic focus and asymmetric capabilities. While the U.S. leads in overall military technology, Russia excels in specific areas like air defense and hypersonic weapons. Against NATO's collective 30-nation alliance, Russia relies on nuclear deterrence and regional superiority. NATO's combined conventional forces significantly outnumber Russia's, but geographic and logistical factors complicate any potential conflict. The balance of power in Eastern Europe remains a critical flashpoint for global security. Russia and China maintain complex military relations, balancing cooperation with underlying competition. China's rapid military modernization and larger economy pose long-term challenges to Russian military preeminence in Asia. Despite arms sales and joint exercises, both nations compete for influence across Central Asia and the Arctic. Russia's military strengths lie in nuclear deterrence, advanced air defense systems, and asymmetric warfare capabilities. Technological achievements in hypersonic weapons and electronic warfare provide significant strategic advantages. Professional military leadership and strategic doctrine maximize limited resources for maximum effect. However, economic constraints and technological gaps in some areas limit Russia's ability to match Western military spending. Demographic decline and the need for military modernization present ongoing challenges for force structure planning. International sanctions complicate access to advanced technologies and components for military systems. Looking ahead, Russia continues investing in next-generation weapon systems and military artificial intelligence. Strategic adaptation to changing global security environment remains a key priority for Russian military leadership. In 2025, Russia remains a formidable military power, balancing global ambitions with practical limitations while maintaining its position as a key player in international security affairs.